Hey everyone, come on in. I'm Charlie and I will be doing a product review for this studio. So yeah, the product in question is Panther Outfit Genesis 8. Yeah, so it's a cute outfit with nice boots, comes with a glove and dress. The name Panther should be referring to these kitty ears by the edge of the glove and these cleverly cut holes on the chest. Yeah, just looking at this, I couldn't help but just thought of some video game characters or from your favorite anime or something. But I think a lot of Marvel superheroes also wear similar costume with a large cut holes in the chest. Yeah, so I Google around a bit and okay, I found out what was the source of the inspiration. Yeah, I couldn't help but it just remind me of this game Nier, and there's this android character from it, 2B. She wore this similar black dress. It has a nice embroidery on the chest level, the nice holes cut as well. The skirt has a side slit that goes up right to the waist. Yeah, but there are lots of other similarity, like the boots with the nice heels. Well, you know that Daz original artists cannot just take too much inspiration from some video game dress, right? Yeah, but I will say this is a very good cosplay dress for your characters. Yeah, let's take a look at the expansion set as well. Yeah, the expansion set has a great variety to it, and this particular outfit on the left, it looks suspiciously like the suit of a certain Overwatch character. And this one, yeah, you know what it is from at a glance. It's very similar to the dress as worn by Miku from the Sega dancing slash singing game. Yeah, this should make some really nice and fun render if you're going for the Comic Con, Comic Cat anime cosplay thing. So let's take a look. How does it perform in reality? It looks quite good even with just some generic HDRR lights. The performance is fast and snappy. So I make some quick renders with it. Oh, so this is how it looks like, and without Photoshop and anything. Yeah, this is the final product with the rim lights added, some color touch up. Yeah, the dress looks great with lots of creases, and the texture gives you the slight leathery feel to it. And the edge, the dress actually looks quite thick, which is good because a lot of dresses looks like it's 1 pixel thick or something. So you can see that the gold edge is actually quite deep. Yeah, I hope you love this review and will follow me on my following videos. Right? Thank you very much.